Hello everyone and welcome to Fatma Sami's channel. Today's video is for the 4th grade semester 1. We're gonna do some exercises on unit 1 activity book. Let's start with some exercises before we get into unit 1. New neighbors. Exercise number 1. Look and match. Look at these characters, then match the description. A is done for you. I'm Sammy. I'm 8. I'm Omani. B matches number 1. I'm Luti. I'm 9. I'm Australian. C matches number 2. I'm Fatma. I'm 9. I'm Omani. Exercise number 2. Draw and describe yourself. Draw yourself in this box. Then answer these questions. Number 1. What's your name? Write your name here. Number 2. How old are you? Write your age here. Number 3. Where are you from? Write the name of your country here. Lesson 1, Part 2, Countries and Nationalities. Exercise number 3. Look and write the countries. Look at these flags of different countries. Write the missing letters. Number 1 is done for you. Oman. Number 2, Britain. Number 3, China. Number 4, Australia. Number 5, Brazil. Number 6, the USA. Number 7, Egypt. Exercise number 4. Look at activity 3. Read and write the nationalities. Let's read these descriptions, then pick the right nationality from here. Number 1 is done for you. My flag is red and yellow. I'm Chinese. Number 2. There are lots of small white stars on my flag. I'm American. Number 3. There is a big red cross in my flag. I'm British. Number 4. My flag is blue with a small red and white cross. I'm Australian. Number 5. My flag is green, yellow, and blue. I'm Brazilian. Number 6. My flag is red, white, and black with a small bird. I'm Egyptian. Exercise number 5. Write about your flag and your nationality. Let's see my answer. My flag is white, red, and green with a small khanjar and 2 swords. I'm Omani. Exercise number 1. Complete the crossword. Read these words and put them in the correct place. Number 1 is done for you. Shopping. Number 2. Football. Number 3. Table tennis. Number 4. Canoeing. Number 5. Basketball. Number 6. Tennis. Number 7. Reading. Number 8. Swimming. Exercise number 2. Listen and match. Listen to these three students talking about the things they like and they don't like. Then match them with these pictures. Listen carefully. Number 1. Hi, I'm Ahmed. I like playing tennis with my friends, but I don't like canoeing. It's difficult. Hi, I'm Noura. I like reading books, comics, poems, everything. But I don't like going shopping. It's boring. Hi, I'm Basim. Something I like? Yes, I like swimming. But I don't like playing basketball. I never play basketball. Now, let's move to exercise number 3. Look at activity 2 and complete the sentences. Then write about yourself. In this exercise, you will write about the things that Ahmed, Noura, and Basim like and don't like. Number 1. Ahmed likes playing tennis. He doesn't like canoeing. Number 2. Noura likes reading. She doesn't like shopping. Number 3. Basim likes swimming. He doesn't like basketball. For number 4, you will write about the things you like doing and the things you don't like. Let's see my answer. I like reading. I don't like basketball. Listen to part 2. Exercise number 4. Write the numbers in words. For this exercise, you will write the number in words. Let's see the answers. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Now let's move to exercise number 5. Write the missing numbers, then write your own sequence. Sequence number 1. We add 10 every time, so the missing number is 70. The sequence will go like this: 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Sequence number 2. We add 10 every time, so the missing number is 75. The sequence will go like this: 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85. Sequence number 3. We add 5 each time, so the missing numbers are 15 and 30. The sequence will go like this: 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Sequence number 4. We take 10 each time, so the missing number is 80. The sequence will go like this: 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50. Sequence number 5. We add 2 each time, so the missing number is 98. So the sequence will go like this: 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. For number 6, you will write your own sequence. I'll show you my sequence. Let's start with 30 and then add 2 each time. So the sequence will go like this:
30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40.
Now, let's move to exercise number 6. Follow and solve the riddles. Write the numbers in words. Let's see the answers. 8 plus 15 equal 23. 23 minus 4 equals 19. 19 plus 21 equals 40. 40 minus 7 equals 33. Unit 1. New School. Exercise number 1. Look at the class book, page 14, and complete the sentences. Number 1. There are children playing basketball and tennis. Number 2. Two girls are playing on swings and one boy is on a yellow slide. Number 3. There is a teacher with the children in the science lab next to the math classroom. Exercise number 2. Complete the crosswords. Look at these pictures and complete the crossword. Number 1 is done for you. Head teacher. Number 2. Math. Number 3. Science lab. Number 4. PE. Number 5. Social studies. Number 6. ICT. Number 7. School nurse. Number 8. Islamic studies. Number 9. English. Number 10. Science. Number 11. Arabic. Exercise number 3. Look at the class book, page 15, and write the words. Let's read these sentences and see which subject match each sentence. Let's see the answers. Number 1. I can learn my language, Arabic. Number 2. I can play football, PE. Number 3. I learn about my town, social studies. Number 4. I learn about numbers, math. Number 5. I can use a computer, ICT. Number 6. I learn about plants and animals, science. Listen to Part 2. Exercise number 1. Look, read and complete. After we read the story, First Day at a New School, in the class book, complete these sentences using the words above. Number 1. Fatma shows Luti the school. Number 2. The teacher introduces Luti to the class. Number 3. There is a loud noise in the ICT classroom. Number 4. The children meet Boo. Exercise number 2. Read the story again. Tick the rooms which Fatma shows to Luti. Let's see the answers. The rooms which Fatma shows to Luti were Science lab, English classroom, head teacher's office, ICT classroom. Exercise number 3. Complete the sentence. Can you remember the flag? Where's Luty from? Luty is from Australia. She is Australian. Exercise number 4. Read and tick. How do you help new friends? Let's see the answers. Number 1. Don't worry, I can show you around. Number 4. Come and meet my friends, Faisal and Sheikha. Lesson 3, Part 2. Grammar. Exercise number 1. Listen and tick. Listen carefully to Marwa and Arij, then tick the correct answer. Hello, I'm Marwa. I love Tuesdays. Yes, Tuesday is my favorite day at school because I have my favorite subject, ICT. It's at 10:15 and it's after break. Now, let's read the questions and see the answers. What's her favorite subject? ICT. What time is her favorite subject? At 10:15. Now, listen carefully to Arij. Hi, I'm Arij. I love going to school. My favorite day is Monday, and I love math. I have it on Monday after English at 10:30. Now, let's read the questions and see the answers. What's her favorite subject? Math. What time is her favorite subject? At 10:30. Exercise number 2. Look, is it Marwa or Arij's timetable? It's Arij's timetable. Exercise number 3. Look at the timetable in Activity 2. Answer the questions. Number 1. When does she have Islamic studies on Sundays? She has Islamic studies at 7:15. Number 2. What time does she have math on Sundays? She has math at 10:30. Number 3. What time does she have a break every day? She has a break at 8:45. Number 4. When does she have social studies? She has social studies on Mondays at 8 o'clock. Number 5. When does she have PE? She has PE on Mondays at 7:15. Lesson 4, Part 2. Vocabulary and Grammar. Exercise number 1. Find and write the words. Find the words, then write them in the correct blank. Let's see the answers. Always, often, sometimes, never. Exercise number 2. Read and match. Match the sentences on the right side with the sentences on the left side. Number 1 matches E 3 times a week, on Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. Number 2 matches A at the weekend, on Friday and Saturday. Number 3 matches B every day, from Sunday to Saturday. Number 4 matches C once a week, on Wednesday. Number 5 matches D twice a week, on Thursday and Friday. Exercise number 3. Look at the diary and complete the sentences with the words from the box. Number 1. My sister Nawal watches TV at the weekend. Number 2. I always read a book. Number 3. Mom and Dad play tennis once a week. Number 4. I sometimes go swimming. Number 5. Nawal and I play video games twice a week. Exercise number 4. Write about yourself. Write sentences about yourself using these words. I'll show you my answers. Number 1. I always watch TV. Number 2. I often go swimming. Number 3. I read books at the weekend. Number 4. I never play video games. Number 5. I play tennis twice a week. Lesson 5, Part 1. Exercise number 1. Read and match. In this exercise, we will match the sentences with the pictures. Let's see the answers. Number 1. A school with no books. Number 2. A school on a boat. Number 3. A forest school. Number 4. Lessons using nature. Exercise number 2. Match the sentences halves. Let's see the answers. Number 1 is done for you. Matches B. Not all schools are the same. Number 2 matches C. In Bangladesh, some children study at school on a boat because there are floats. Number 3 matches D. In Indonesia, some children learn from nature, plants, and animals. Number 4 matches E. At a boarding school, children go home at weekends. Number 5 matches A. Forest school gives an outdoor lesson. Now, let's move to exercise number 3. Complete, then compare in pairs. In this exercise, you will write why your school is different than other schools. I'll write a sentence as an example. My school is different to the unusual schools because we use computers instead of books. Lesson 6. Exercise number 1. Order the words to make sentences. Let's see the answer. What about Saturday morning? Do you want to play video games tomorrow evening? Let's meet at 11 o'clock at my house. Sorry, I can't. Yes, I'm free on Saturday morning. Now, let's listen to the dialogue and put these sentences in order. Do you want to play video games tomorrow evening? Sorry, I can't. What about Saturday morning? Yes, I'm free at Saturday morning. Let's meet at 11 o'clock at my house. Now, let's move to exercise number 3. Plan your weekend. Circle the day, then ask and answer in pairs, and tick the activities you can do together. Let's see the activities. Play tennis, go to the park, watch a film, go to the library, go to the supermarket, play video games. Do this exercise with your classmate. Use these examples to ask and answer questions. Do you want to play tennis on Saturday? Sorry, I can't. Lesson 7, Part 2. Exercise number 1. Complete the table about Mariam's first day at school. Use these words in the box to complete the table. Number 1. What to wear to school? Uniform. Number 2. School object to take to school. Pencil case. Number 3. How to get to school? Walk. Number 4. School starts at 7:15. Number 5. Friend. Muna. Number 6. Teacher. Mrs. Zahra. Number 7. Favorite subject. Art. Exercise number 2. Circle the correct answer. Number 1. Mariam starts her new school in October. Number 2. Mariam is worried on her first day at school. Number 3. The art lesson is great. Number 4. Mariam likes drawing and art. Number 5. Mariam's picture is on the wall of the art classroom. Lesson 8, Part 2. Exercise number 1. Read and underline 11 more mistakes. Then write the correct words. Let's read the text first. My brother Ibrahim loves school. He studies Arabic, English, and social studies. His favorite subjects are art and science. He doesn't like math. Now, let's underline the mistake. Then let's rewrite the correct words. Exercise number 2. Tick the words which start with a capital letter. Is it the same in your language? The words that start with the capital letters are names, days of the week, subjects, and months. Exercise number 3. Write about your favorite lesson or after-school activity. You will write about what's your favorite lesson after-school activity, why do you like it, what other lesson or activity do you like, and why do you like it? Now, use this example to organize your notes. At the end, check your work. Check a capital letter at the start of each sentence. Correct spelling. Clear handwriting. Lesson 9. Phonics. Exercise number 1. Look and read. Listen and act. I see my friend every day. See you tomorrow. Bye. Exercise number 2. Read and circle. Listen, check and say. Listen carefully and circle the correct answer. Hello, this is my tie. This is my pie. Bye. Exercise number 3. Look, listen and write. Then say. Complete these sentences using the words in the box above. Number 1. See you tomorrow night, Grandma. Bye. Number 2. This is my red kite and this is my blue bike. Lesson 10, Part 2. Exercise number 1. Read about Hamad's school day. Circle school subjects in red, school places in blue, and school jobs in green. Let's read the text. My name is Ahmed. I'm 9 years old and I'm in grade 4 at Al-Manar School. Mrs. Amal is the head teacher and Mrs. Rahaf is my teacher. This is my school timetable. School starts at 7:30 and finishes at 1:30. I have math and English every day. My favorite subject is science because I like doing experiments. I have science twice a week. We sometimes go to the science lab on Wednesday. I love it. I always have a break at 10:30. Now, let's circle the jobs in green. Head teacher, teacher. Let's circle subjects in red. Math, English, science. Now let's circle places in blue. Science lab. In exercise number 2, write about your school timetable. Then make a presentation for your family. Lesson 10, Part 2. Exercise number 1. Find and circle 8 school subjects. Then write them in alphabetical order. Number 1, Arabic. Number 2, Art. Number 3, English. Number 4, ICT. Number 5, Islamic Studies. Number 6, Math. Number 7, Science. Number 8, Social Studies. Exercise number 2. Who works at your school? What do they do? In this exercise, you will write the name of the people who works in your school. Then write what they do. Let's see number 1 as an example. Mrs. Munira is the math teacher. Exercise number 3. Look and write sentences. Look at these pictures to write sentences. Number 1. Layla has math on Tuesdays at 11:15. Number 2. Badriya has ICT twice a week. Number 3. Hamad sometimes plays tennis on Fridays. Number 4. Muhannad reads a book on Saturdays. Lesson 10, Part 2. Translate the words into your language. Add more words to the list.
School subjects: Arabic اللغة العربية. Art الفنون. English اللغة الإنجليزية. Islamic Studies الدراسات الإسلامية. Math الرياضيات. Science العلوم. Social Studies الدراسات الاجتماعية. People at school: Head teacher المدير أو المديرة. School nurse ممرضة المدرسة. Places at school: Science lab مختبر العلوم. Frequency adverbs: Always دائما. Often عادة. Sometimes أحيانا. Never أبدا. Every day كل يوم. At the weekend في نهاية الأسبوع. Once a week مرة كل أسبوع. Twice a week مرتين في الأسبوع. 3 times a week 3 مرات في الأسبوع. Exercise number 2. Read and complete. Complete the missing words using the words in the box above.
Number 1. I have math on Mondays. You have math on Mondays. Number 2 and 3. She has lunch at 1 o'clock. He has lunch at 1 o'clock. It has lunch on 1 o'clock. Number 4. We don't have art at the weekend at 10:30. You don't have art at the weekend. They don't have art at the weekend. Number 5. He often draws pictures. She often draws pictures. It often draws pictures. Number 6. I fly a kite every day. You fly a kite every day. Number 7. He draws pictures twice a week. She draws picture twice a week. It draws picture twice a week. Lesson 11. Exercise number 1. Read the text, choose the right words and write them on the lines. My first day at school. My name is Huda. Today is my first day at school. I get up at 6 o'clock every day. Then I pray, have breakfast, and I go to school. The school day starts at 7:45 and finishes at 2:30. My favorite subject is science. We have it 3 times a week, on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. On Sundays, we sometimes go to the science lab. I like it because we learn about plants and animals. I also like PE very much. I always play tennis at the weekend, on Fridays with my parents and on Saturdays with my friends. It's fun. Exercise number 1. Do the word search. Find and circle. Let's find the words together. Number 1. Head teacher. Number 2. Math. Number 3. Science. Number 4. English. Number 5. Arabic. Number 6. ICT. Number 7. Islamic Studies. Number 8. PE. Exercise number 2. Write about you, then read aloud. Fill in the blanks to create sentences about you and the subjects you have in school and what do you do after school. I'll show you my answers as an example. We have art on Monday at 10:30. We have Arabic twice a week. We have English on Tuesday at 9:30. We play tennis every day. We sometimes play basketball. We have reached to the end of our video today. Thank you for listening and watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.